This dance is called Love Is A Cowboy. It's a 32 count, 2 wall, beginner level line dance. Starting on the right foot. You're going to take a small step to the side on the right as you sway to the right, then sway back to the left. Chassé to the right, 1 and 2 count timing steps, stepping the right to the side, left beside right, right to the side. Cross rock, left over right, recover your weight back on that right, chassé back to the left, 1 and 2 count timing steps, stepping the left to the side, right beside left, left to the side. That set of steps once more. Sways off on the right. 7, 8. Sway, sway. Right chassé. Cross, rock. Left chassé. Step forward on the right. Pivot yourself quarter of a turn to the left. So you should now be facing the side wall or 9 o'clock. Shuffle forward on the right, 1 and 2 count timing steps, step the right forward, left beside right, step that right forward. Rock forward on the left, recover your weight back on that right, shuffle back on the left, 1 and 2 count timing steps once more, step the left back, right beside left, step that left back. That set of steps once more then, step pivot into that shuffle off on the right. 7, 8, step, pivot, right shuffle, forward rock, back shuffle. Let's add those 2 sections together. Sways off on the right. 7, 8, sway, sway, right chassé, cross rock, left chassé, step, pivot, right shuffle, forward rock, back shuffle. Rock to the side on the right, recover your weight back on the left. Into a cross shuffle. Again, 1 and 2 count timing steps, crossing the right over the left, step the left to the side, cross the right over the left. Rock to the side on the left, recover your weight back on that right, cross shuffle, left over right, 1 and 2 count timing steps, you cross that left over the right, right to the side, left over right. That set of steps once more then. Side rock cross shuffles off on that right. 7, 8. Side rock, cross shuffle, side rock, cross shuffle. Add that to the top. Sways off on the right. 7, 8. Sway, sway, right chassé, cross rock, left chassé, step, pivot, right shuffle, forward rock, back shuffle, side rock, cross shuffle, side rock, cross shuffle. Take 2 steps back. So you're going to walk back on that right, then back on the left. Make a quarter turn left as you step the right to the side as you're going into a couple of sways. So it's a quarter turn left, I'm stepping that right to the side as I'm swaying to the right, then I sway back to the left. Then step the right to the side, touch the left beside the right, step the left to the side, touch the right beside the left. So it is going to feel a bit strange. Once you've walked back, you're effectively turning yourself. This right foot is not going to move too much, but you're turning left, sway right, having made that quarter of a turn, sway left, and then into those side touches. So let's just do that section once more then, walking back on that right. 7, 8, back, back, sway, sway, side, touch, side, touch. End of the dance when you get to that point, let's put it all together. Sways off on the right. 7, 8, sway, sway, right chassé, cross, rock, left chassé, step, pivot, right shuffle, forward rock, back shuffle, side rock, cross shuffle, side rock, cross shuffle, back, back, sway, sway, side touch, side touch. So apart from your shuffles, your chassés and those cross shuffles, it's all single count timing. So that is your dance. Now it is a 2-wall dance, so let's have a go at the back wall, and we'll keep going when we get back to the front so you can see how the walls join together. Sways off on the right. 7, 8, sway, sway, right chassé, cross rock, left chassé, step, pivot, right shuffle, forward rock, back shuffle, side rock, cross shuffle, side rock, cross shuffle, back, back, sway, sway, side touch, sway, sway, right chassé, cross rock, left chassé, step, pivot, right shuffle, forward rock, back shuffle, side rock, cross shuffle, side rock, cross shuffle, back, back, sway, sway, side touch, side touch. So that is it. That is your dance and your walkthrough. Let's give it a go to no music. Five, 6, 7, 8. Sway, sway, right chassé, cross rock, left chassé, step, pivot, right shuffle, forward rock, back shuffle, side rock, cross shuffle, side rock, cross shuffle, back, back, sway, sway, side touch, sway, sway, right chassé, cross rock, left chassé, step, pivot, right shuffle, forward rock, back shuffle, side rock, cross shuffle, side rock, cross shuffle, back, back, sway, sway, side touch, sway, sway, right chassé, cross rock, left chassé, step, pivot, right shuffle, forward rock, back shuffle, side rock, cross shuffle, side rock, cross shuffle, back, back, sway, sway, side touch, sway, sway, right chassé, cross rock, left chassé, step, pivot, right shuffle, forward rock, back shuffle, side rock, cross shuffle, side rock, cross shuffle, back, back, sway, sway, side touch, sways. Step pivot, side rock, back, sways, pivot, side rock, back, side rock, sways, pivot, hope you managed that one.